It is full on storming outside. It's actually hailing right now. I can't even believe it myself. Don't go outside, y'all. It's got flash flood warnings everywhere. This is Arizona's monsoon season. Welcome to monsoon season. Welcome to monsoon season. Feel the rain. Feel the rain. Feel the rain. We ain't never seen nothing like it, y'all. It ain't never rained this long in Arizona. I'm crying, you crying, the sky crying. We outside. We outside in our fuzzy flip-flops because it don't rain out here. It's actually raining. It's actually raining. Not sprinkling. Not tit for tatting. It's raining out here. I would take my butt inside because I'm actually getting wet. I actually need an umbrella in this weather. It's raining out here. Won't he do it? I know he will. It is full